Thinking comes to not knowing. Sir, you cannot do that.
If you don't do it, I'll open it.
You cannot do that. You cannot, because you're being recorded.
Where's the items hanging from my mirror?
It's
No.
right there under there. That's the way it's gonna go. Come on out.
Do I look like a criminal?
I don't know. I don't know where you live at. I
It
don't
doesn't
know
matter
who you
where.
are.
It doesn't matter where I live. Why does that matter?
You know the
Welcome back to CT3, where we highlight clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights aren't violated on your next encounter with a cop.
I'm gonna start recording. What was the reason for pulling me over?
Negative. 402. This was part of a disturbance. The other subject said Snappies. Can you check by?
What was the
Because of the disturbance that happened at Snappies.
who called the disturbance?
I saw it. I unviewed it.
Okay, but you said but that's not a traffic violation. You pulled me over.
Because I'm investigating that disturbance that you
What
almost hit
disturbance?
the lady with the car.
I'm with the car.
What'd you say?
This is my car.
Sir?
This is my car. I'm not a sir. I'm a ma'am.
Yeah. What'd you say?
Rephrase yourself.
I know my laws. You said you were pulling me over for what? Disturbing her? A disturbance?
Yes.
That's not a traffic violation. That is not a traffic violation at all.
Doesn't have to be.
It does.
No.
It does. I know my laws. I know my laws. That is not.
That's just like number 3.
Yeah, that is not. Yep. Check the insurance.
it's
Check
my
it
car.
out. Yep. Check it. Check it. Come on. It is locked. See, you're trying to unlawfully open the door. No, I'm not gonna unlock.
If you don't open the door, I'm gonna drag it out of this car.
I can hear you.
Sir?
I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
I can. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can. And you heard me. You just heard me.
Listen, real quick.
You said a disturbance.
Because you're right about what you think, you're wrong.
It's not what I
No,
think.
You just said it.
Thinking comes from not
You
knowing.
just said it.
Thinking comes from not knowing.
Yeah.
Thinking comes from not knowing. Sir, you cannot do that.
If you don't do it, I'll open it.
You cannot
you
do that.
won't.
You cannot, because
you
you're being
won't.
recorded, and I will hand my sister my phone.
We're
This is
both
recording, the
both
car's
recording.
I know, but you can delete that. You can't delete this.
You can't delete any of our stuff.
Look,
Yes,
you
I
said it was
can.
a disturbance. This is not a traffic violation. What did you pull me
I'm
over
not
for?
here.
What did you pull me over for, Mr.
Just
Laura?
because you assumed something.
Yeah,
I told you.
You assumed
a traffic
something.
violation. I said, what did
you
you?
almost hit the lady with?
I did
That's
not
a
hit
lie.
her.
You
That
just-
is a lie.
You just lied.
Okay, I want to go call her. Go
I'm
call her.
recording you.
We're working on it.
Go call. Oh, then work on it. When
Okay,
she
well,
comes
then
over
go work
here
on it.
and she confirms that I did not hit her.
You just lied. I'm recording
Yeah,
you.
you're lying. You're lying. You are lying.
You are
Do-
lying
no,
Do you
to
have
both
your
of
driver's
y'all.
license or an ID? 'Cause that
I
is an
have it
arrestable
on
I
offense.
just told him. I didn't have it.
Your ID.
I just told him I didn't have it.
Say again?
I just told him I didn't have it, but I'm answering no more questions because I asked him
He has
what was the
told me.
reason for pulling me over.
That lady, she's wearing a red shirt, went inside a snap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
realize that
You're assuming that I almost hit that woman,
Both of
right?
y'all are.
You're assuming.
I saw you.
No, you're
did.
assuming.
You just changed
Well, then go
your
call her.
whole- you just
Go
changed
call
it.
her and then ask her if I almost hit her.
You just changed your whole.
Go. Now I'm asking no more questions.
Okay.
I'm answering no more questions. I know my rights. I could record you. Trust
I'm
me.
recording too.
Yes, I can.
I'm recording.
What is your badge number?
My badge number, you'll get that in a little bit.
No, you have to give it to
I'm
me by
recording.
law. By law, you're supposed to give me your badge number.
Okay, what law is that?
Oh, so you're laughing.
What law is that?
What-
I get this a lot.
Let me call
Come
my
on.
boy.
You don't know your law?
I do.
6 weeks
you don't,
of,
bitch.
of, of,
No,
of
you
police
don't.
training?
That's all? Just 6 weeks?
That's all you had. I know
No,
you
you
did.
don't, bitch.
Mr. Kent, but you don't have a badge
Okay,
number?
6 weeks,
Ch-
Sarge.
You know what?
I'm recording that too.
I really hate to damage your property.
I
You
wish
can't.
you would. bitch. I wish you would.
Yeah, there's insurance on here and you will pay for
I
that.
wish you would. I wish you would.
Go ahead, Mr. Kent, Mr. Laura.
Okay.
Go call the lady.
Yeah.
Go call the lady y'all said I almost hit.
Officer over there, don't worry.
Yeah,
Hey,
go
talk
call.
to me. I'm right here. I'm the owner.
Mm-hmm.
This is my car. He just he did. Yeah, he did. He seen me.
Did I commit a crime?
You're close.
Did I commit a crime?
Say again. what you said.
Reasonable or articulable suspicion that I am about to or have committed a crime.
Running around, don't know how to do
Did I commit a crime?
You tell me, you just answered it.
No, I'm not telling you. You say I'm committing a crime.
I didn't say that.
Oh, you're right. Mr. Laura over there said that I was about to or commit a crime. Now, did I? Did I? He called you.
You answered your own question.
No, you answered your own question.
For real.
And an officer is supposed to remain.
Remain?
Yeah. What?
Remain
What?
what?
Yeah, I'm asked. That was a question.
I don't know what you're quoting.
Oh Lord Jesus.
He's
Oh Lord
stupid as-
Jesus. You're dumb. 6 weeks in the academy don't do nothing for
For
you.
real.
You got that wrong.
No, we don't.
Come on. I ain't gonna sit tight.
Come
Trust
get me, because I'm fixing up. Ooh, shit.
Trust me. I will.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I just know my laws, but it's
Yeah,
up to
that
you
was-
to
that's
know
why
it.
his
It's not up to
turned
me
red
to
and
tell you.
smiling.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. All that. Don't be loud. Don't be loud. Do not be loud. We don't need
I already
that.
texted my sister.
No,
I already
don't
called
worry.
my sister. I recorded this mother.
Don't calm.
I'm sick and
No,
tired of
for real.
motherfuckers
Calm
always
down.
saying, fuck.
Calm down. Bring the witness forward.
They're not taking him.
They will if you keep talking.
I'm sick and
They
tired of
will.
fuckers.
If you keep talking, bring the witness forward. And ask the witness if I almost ran her over.
Ooh, Lord Jesus. What's his badge number?
He hasn't told me. What's your badge number, sir?
They refuse
Your
to
name
give
and your
us a
badge number?
You can see my name.
I need you to give it to
He
me.
said no, he won't
When
give it
I
because
ask
you
upon
can
a
see it.
request
Listen,
by
listen,
law,
listen.
yes,
Yes,
okay.
you do. Yes, you do.
Calm down.
Ooh.
You're supposed to provide your badge and your name.
Are you wanting to file a complaint?
I'm not. Yeah, I will if you don't.
Okay,
You're
I'll get it on
refusing.
tape.
I will
Hold on, let me
file a
call
complaint
my
if you don't give me your
attorney. I'm
badge
calling my attorney
Right now, it's Officer Kent.
and your badge number
Whichever you prefer.
and your badge number.
I'll give you that in a little bit.
No, you're supposed to give it to me now.
Hold on, let me-
You're a
let me call you
protective
back.
servant,
Protective servant? I
a
never heard
public
that.
servant. I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
I stand corrected.
It's all right.
I stand corrected.
No offense.
No, of course I don't take none. I don't take none until you doing your job.
No.
Nothing's going on.
For real.
Nothing's going on.
They're trying to accuse people.
No. You heard the witness. You heard the witness. Nothing's going on. Nothing's going on. You heard the witness. You heard,
Hey, so me and my brother.
you heard the witness. Nothing's going on. Nothing's going on. You heard the witness.
Trying to accuse us of trying to run over somebody, and they don't want to give it just the badge numbers and nothing like that or whatever. Over here by. Oh shit.
Oh, you heard the witness, Laura.
And they saying we
You
can't
straight
record
lied.
this shit.
You straight lied.
Just hold on. Roll down
No,
your
I'm not.
I'm about to let you go.
I don't have to roll down the
I'm
window.
about to let you go. Just give me 1
Is
second.
that
Okay.
funky, chunky ass white
Okay.
Mexican,
Okay.
whatever saying.
Okay. By law, they're supposed to give us this bad number. They didn't. The witness just told you there's nothing going on. What you still questioning her? What are y'all still questioning the witness for if there's nothing going on? What are y'all still questioning the witness if there's nothing going on, Laura? She straight up told y'all. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, try to segregate her.
A car. Because I don't have to stop. I don't have to do that. I said, yes, you do. You have no right to stop us. You didn't tell us what was the reason you trying to stop us. Hold on. Listen.
All right, Robert, you can go, but I'm gonna get some warrants for you, okay?
Okay.
Whatever. You hear that threat? You hear that threat?
This video highlights serious issues concerning constitutional and legal rights violations. To begin with, the Fourth Amendment explicitly protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures, meaning officers need a clear, reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation or criminal activity to justify a stop. Simply citing a vague disturbance falls far short of this legal requirement. When it comes to identification, the law doesn't obligate you to present your ID unless there's a legitimate reason for the stop. Meanwhile, officers are legally required to provide their badge numbers and names upon request, ensuring transparency and accountability. The officer's threat to forcibly remove the driver from the vehicle was a clear overstep. Law enforcement can only resort to such measures when there are lawful grounds for arrest or detention. In this case, the threat lacked any legitimate basis and was used solely as an intimidation tactic to coerce compliance, representing an abuse of authority. When officers think they can bend the rules and get away with violating constitutional protections, they put every citizen at risk. It's up to us to call them out and force change. Let's keep going.
I came to work today. Am I arrested or am I free to go?
You're free to go, sir.
All right. So what am I being trespassed from here for?
You're not allowed to come back on this property.
What is the reason?
Because it's their property, their house, their rules.
All right.
Simple.
And what's your name, sir?
Officer E. Brown, 8539. You are trespassed from this property.
So why are you trying to make me identify if I'm free to go and I'm not being charged with a crime?
And why you're
No, but I'm not being charged with a crime. Why do you need my identification?
Trespassing is something where I need to know who you are.
But I'm free to go, right?
Yes, sir. I said
Thank
that
you very
about
much. You have a
5
good day.
times.
You have a good day.
Good for you.
You have a good day. So I don't know if this is stalking or not, but now this officer wants to follow me. Same officer just pulled me over.
Yes, sir, Officer Brown, the Metro, stopping you because you got items hanging from your mirror obstructing your view. Do you have your license
Where?
and registration
Where?
with you today, sir?
Where's the items?
You're a freshener, sir. Do you have your license? You're
No.
required to surrender upon
I
demand.
know, but where's the items?
Sir,
They're
if you
hanging from my
refuse, I
mirror.
will- Then you asked earlier if you're going to be detained. You're detained right now. You're
I'm being
required to
detained?
surrender- Yes, sir. Why don't you come out of the car unless you want to surrender your ID?
Where's the items hanging
Out
from
of
my
the
mirror?
car, sir. It's
No.
right there under there. That's the way it's going to go. Come on out.
Please
Come
keep
on
your
out.
hands off me. My hands are on the wheel. I don't have anything on me.
Turn off the car, man.
I don't have anything on me.
That's fine. Come on out.
Okay,
Anthony,
don't
you can
touch
do
me,
it the hard
please.
way, or
Nah,
I'm gonna do
don't
it my
touch me,
way,
please.
okay?
Where are the items hanging from
Okay,
my
my
mirror?
camera's
I gave
running
you.
as
You
well.
know my name. You just called me by Anthony.
Okay, because you've identified
So
yourself
okay, but
previously.
so I've already
License
identified
and
myself.
you're
You already
required by
know
law
that.
to surrender your license at this time.
So
Now
you
it's your
already
car
know
stop.
that. Now, but you already know that. You just set me up. You're stalking me.
Another unit.
I already identified myself. You're stalking me.
License and registration.
You're
Anthony.
stalking me.
License and registration, Anthony.
No. No, my hands are on my thing. You're not. No, you're not doing this.
You got a major question. Anthony, registration and license.
No.
I will issue you a citation for your license if you don't surrender.
Then issue a citation. This is an illegal stop. I already identified and you pulled me over again.
Anthony, come out of the car.
I didn't do anything. Am I being suspected of a crime?
Yes, sir.
What's
Right
the
now,
crime?
You're not surrendering your ID.
No. What crime did you stop me for before this? Why'd you pull me over?
Originally, you're trespass. However,
Oh, no.
now it's a
Why
traffic
did you
stop.
pull me over?
Right now,
Why
because
did-
you have
because
items
why?
hanging from your mirror, sir.
Where?
Same ones on camera and
Where?
on camera on yours.
Where? Where?
They were there.
There's no items on my mirror.
But right now, I'm focusing on you.
No, well, you're a liar.
So you're
you're-
required to surrender your ID.
You're
upon
lying.
demand.
You pulled me over for no. This is a criminal charge.
Okay, sir. That's something you can talk to your lawyer
No,
about.
and
Right
I'm
now,
going
you're coming
to.
out
So
of
you
the
can
car.
write a citation.
I will, but you're required
Okay.
by law, by Nevada law, to
Okay.
retain your license and surrender it to me upon
That's okay.
demand.
That's okay. I didn't do anything to be pulled over. This is illegal.
Okay. Sir, you have items hanging from your mirror.
So you
obstructing
can
your
write
view.
me a citation
I cannot,
with my
but
name
you
that I
can-
gave you already,
Okay.
because you're the same cop.
Okay. Sir, you're required to surrender your license upon demand.
Uh-huh.
Giving you the chance to do that right now.
Uh-huh.
Surrender your license, sir. Now you're on the road. Now we have a different thing. That's trespass.
Yeah,
That's over.
but I have to fight this in
Good
court.
for you. Okay, and you can.
And
But
I will.
You're not going to win.
You
the
can give
one
me a
for not
citation.
surrendering your license.
You can give me a citation.
I will, yes, sir.
But I'm
you're
going to win
required
for
by
you
law to
following me
surrender your
after I
license.
already identified that stalking.
Public road, sir. I'm
And
allowed to
guess
go that
what?
way
You
too, sir.
followed me.
Okay,
You
yes,
followed
sir.
me. That stalk. After I identified, you knew who I was. So let's
No, I
not play
don't,
this
sir.
game. You had it out.
The
This
car
is
is
what you call
registered
setting
as
up.
a female.
Doesn't matter. Call her. Call
License
her.
and registration
Call
and
her.
insurance, sir.
Call the female.
License, registration, and insurance,
No.
sir.
No. Call her.
License, registration, and insurance.
Call
sir.
her. This is all on video. This man, I already identified myself to this man.
License and registration, sir.
What's the crime? Why'd you
already
stop
told
me?
you.
Why'd you stop me?
Okay, now you're asking the same questions over and over.
No,
again.
why did you
wonder
stop me?
security
Where's the
got-
items hanging from my mirrors?
They're on your mirror right there, sir.
Oh, so I got out and took them off?
See your little best of Las Vegas, sir?
Uh-huh.
It obstructs your view. Originally.
No,
designed by
this is the
Vegas.
parking sign. These are the parking signs for my garage.
You ever had a handicap parking pass?
I don't need one.
Okay,
I'm
well,
not
this
handicapped.
Is why on the back of it says you must remove while driving. You can't have things hanging from your mirror, sir.
Okay, so write me a citation.
I will, but you're required by
Here, hey, and then I'm gonna take it off.
License and
I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off.
License and registration, sir. License and registration, sir.
I didn't do anything. My hands are on the wheel. One's recording. You stalked me out of that
recording
parking
as well,
lot.
sir.
All right, well, you stalked me out of that parking lot. I filmed you, followed me.
No,
After
that's-
after I
that's
identified
trespassing.
already.
That's done.
After I identified already. You seen my car, you didn't tell me
You're
anything
already
then.
trespassing the property.
And I'm
You're
not going
sir.
back.
I'm not
And
defending
I'm
you.
not going back.
Yes, sir. You're
And I'm not going back.
The question is right now whether or not you're going to jail or whether or not you're going to surrender your ID. So
Well,
surrender
it doesn't
your ID,
matter.
sir.
You don't have no reason to stop me. I'll fight
Yes,
this in
sir.
court.
That's fine.
You
You're
can call
not
Marissa,
gonna
let her
get
know.
refusal to submit your
Let her
license
know.
to me.
But you don't have a reason to pull me over.
Okay.
You did not.
All right. Well.
Because I identified
License
to you
and
back there.
registration, sir.
I identified to you back there.
License and registration, sir.
I don't know where the
License and
registration's at.
registration,
You
sir.
know it's registered.
Yes, sir. License and registration. You're required to surrender them upon demand, sir. This is a vehicle stop.
Okay, but you didn't have a reason to pull me
License
over.
and registration.
But you
sir.
didn't have a reason to pull me over.
License and registration.
But you
sir.
did not have a reason to pull me over.
License
I
and
identified
registration,
myself
sir.
to
I'm
you
gonna go
back
ahead
there.
I'm going to go ahead and remove you from the vehicle this time. This is your last chance to do it the right way. License and registration, sir.
No. No. But I'll get out on my own. My hands are right here. Nope.
This was a clear case of retaliation. The cop followed him, just looking for an excuse to pull him over, and claiming an obstructed view because of an air freshener? Ridiculous. We all know that's not about safety. It's about targeting someone out of spite. Here's the law. Under the Fourth Amendment, cops need reasonable suspicion of a crime to stop you. Sure, some states ban hanging items from mirrors, but that can't be used as a cover for harassment. The reason for the stop must be legit, not just a lame excuse. This isn't just bending the rules, it's abusing power. Following someone to find a reason for a ticket. That's not law enforcement, it's harassment. The real danger isn't an air freshener. It's cops who pull this kind of stunt. Don't back down. If you experience something like this, stay calm, record everything, and take it to court. Let's expose these power-tripping tyrants. We've had enough of their games. And let's keep going.
Can I help you?
Yeah, we got a call about a suspicious vehicle in the area, and it matches this description.
What's suspicious?
He said you've been parked in front of his. You were parked in front of his house for about an hour, hour and a half.
Yeah. Is that suspicious?
Yeah, it's kind of strange. What's going on?
Nothing. Just sitting in my car.
Okay. You live here?
It doesn't matter. This is public.
Okay. You got your ID on you?
I'm not getting ID'd. I haven't committed a crime. Why would I need my ID?
Because this is a private this is a pretty quiet neighborhood.
Okay, is this a public place or a private place?
It is a public road, correct.
Okay. Thank you. Have I committed a crime by sitting here?
No.
Okay. Then I would not like to ID myself because it's my right to not ID myself.
What is the issue here?
There is no issue. I'm over here minding my own business, sitting in my car, and you're coming up to me.
Correct, because I'm getting a call.
It doesn't matter if you get a call. I've done nothing illegal. People can call all they want. Do you call? Do you run out and talk to everybody that's parked in their car?
When they've been sitting in front of a house for an hour and a half, I generally do.
Okay. Well, I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm trying to be very respectful to you. I've done nothing wrong. I'm not committing any crimes. I'm sitting in my car minding my own business. I think you've sufficiently checked out that there's nothing wrong. Do I look like a criminal?
I don't know. I don't know where you live at.
It doesn't matter where I live. Why does that matter?
You know, the criminals could be. We've got a guy in Tulsa that was driving a 2019.
Do you suspect me of a crime?
I suspect that you're in a neighborhood where you don't belong.
Okay, and so why don't I belong?
Because they don't recognize the vehicle. I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing here.
It's none of your business what I'm doing here. I don't have to tell you what I'm doing.
Okay.
There's nothing illegal about what I'm doing. This is not a private neighborhood. I'm not in a gated area. I didn't pass any no trespassing signs. I'm on a public road, minding my own business in my car.
Okay.
So leave me alone.
All right.
Okay. You're dismissed. Thank you.
No, that's not how it works, but okay.
Keep in mind, suspicion is not a crime, so this encounter shouldn't have happened. This cop is wasting his time on a victimless, non-existent crime. Keep in mind, not a single crime has been committed, but this cop feels like he has authority to get information from this law-abiding citizen. Remember, law enforcement officers must have reasonable suspicion that a crime was committed by you to have any kind of authority over you. Reasonable suspicion must be based on specific and articulable facts that a crime has been committed. That's why it's important to get clarification from the officer that you're having a consensual conversation versus being under detainment.
But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the real CT3 fam. And without you, there's no CT3. Remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time, peace.